Wondering how to program your Xfinity remote? In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Xfinity remote with your TV step by step, so you can control power, volume, and more in just a few minutes. Step 1. Turn on your TV. Before you begin, turn on your TV. Make sure your Xfinity TV box is powered on. Have your Xfinity remote ready. Step 2. Put the remote into pairing mode. If you're using an XR15 voice remote, press and hold the Xfinity and info buttons together. Wait until the LED changes to green. A pairing code will appear on your TV screen. Enter that code using your remote. If your remote was previously paired and isn't working correctly, you may need to reset it first by holding the A and D buttons until the LED turns green. Entering 981 to perform a factory reset. Step 3. Program your TV. After the remote pairs with your Xfinity TV box, follow the on-screen instructions to select your TV brand. Test the power button. Test the volume and mute buttons. Save the settings once everything works correctly. If you have a soundbar or audio receiver, you'll also have the option to program those controls during setup. Troubleshooting tips. If your remote doesn't pair, replace the batteries. Stay close to the TV box during setup. Repeat the pairing process if needed. If the TV doesn't respond, try the setup again and verify the selected TV brand. For more details, check the full setup guide linked in the description. That's it. Your Xfinity remote is now synced with your TV. If this helped, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more no-fluff tech setup guides from Tekzoid.